Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to watch Telegram videos directly in the app without ever needing to download or use Terabox. We have two quick methods for this. Method 1 is for native Telegram files. Often you will find video files directly uploaded to a chat or channel. Instead of relying on a third-party player, just tap the video and it will play natively inside Telegram's built-in player. To save it for quick access within the app, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the video and select Save to Downloads. Whenever you want to watch it later, go to your Telegram home screen, tap the search icon, swipe the top menu categories to find the Downloads tab, and your video will be right there, ready to play instantly. Method 2 is for bypassing Terabox links. If a channel only provides a Terabox link and tries to force you to download their app, you can easily bypass this using a Telegram bot. Go to the Telegram search bar and look up Terabox Bypass Bot or Terabox Downloader Bot. Click Start, copy the Terabox link from the channel, and paste it into the bot's chat. Within seconds, the bot will extract the media and send you the direct video file right inside Telegram. You can then watch it natively, completely avoiding the Terabox app, its storage limits, and its ads. It's that simple. You can now enjoy your content hassle-free. If this guide helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward and professional tech tips. See you in the next one.